Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Google Chrome. First of all, open App Store and click the search icon and then click the search bar and type for Google Chrome. And then click the search button and click the Google Chrome application. And then to download, click the Get button and verify with your Face ID. And then downloading is started. We need to wait around 1 minute to complete the downloading process. Once the download process is complete, we can open Google Chrome by clicking the Open button. And yeah, that's all for this video to download and install Google Chrome. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.